Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the essential nutrients that keep the body healthy and full of energy. We'll start with water, the key to life. Water not only helps maintain moisture, but also supports important functions such as digestion, nutrient absorption, body temperature regulation, and waste removal. Imagine your body as a desert thirsting for life, and water is the oasis that brings freshness, refreshment, and abundant vitality. Water makes up the majority of cells and body fluids, ensuring the body functions efficiently and preventing problems related to dehydration. Always remember, every sip of water you drink is a small step towards keeping your body and soul healthy and radiant. Protein is the foundation of recovery and strength. Think of protein as the bricks that build your body's castle, creating strong muscles, tissues, and organs. Protein is made up of amino acids that are essential for building and repairing muscles, tissues, and organs. They are also important factors in the production of enzymes and hormones. A protein-rich diet helps maintain muscle mass, boost immune function, and keep your body in tip-top shape to face any challenge. Fat is a long-lasting source of energy and supports cell growth. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil not only provide energy, but also aid in vitamin absorption and protect organs. Think of fats as dedicated guardians, always ready to protect your body from potential dangers and keep everything running smoothly. However, consuming too much unhealthy fat can lead to serious health problems. So make smart choices to ensure optimal heart health and brain function. Vitamins are powerful assistants in your health journey. Every vitamin, from vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and maintains skin health, to vitamin D, which strengthens bones, is important, and a deficiency can cause many health problems. Imagine vitamins as small but powerful warriors, always ready to protect and support your body on all fronts, inside and out. Minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron are essential for body functions. Calcium is the backbone of strong bones. Potassium regulates fluid balance and muscle contraction, and iron helps transport oxygen in the blood. A balanced mineral intake is necessary to maintain overall health and prevent deficiencies. Think of minerals as skilled workers, building and maintaining your body's house day by day. Finally, carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy, broken down into glucose to fuel the brain, kidneys, heart muscle, and central nervous system. Complex carbohydrates from whole grains, vegetables, and beans provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber, aid digestion, and help control blood sugar levels. Think of carbohydrates as never-ending energy batteries, always ready to provide you with abundant energy to fulfill all your dreams and aspirations. Thank you for watching today's video about 6 essential nutrients for health and life. Hopefully the information shared has helped you better understand the importance of water, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates in maintaining a healthy and energetic body. Remember, adequate and balanced supplementation of nutrients not only helps your body function effectively, but also brings vitality, youthfulness, and mental clarity. Every right dietary choice is a step toward a healthier life. If you find this video useful, don't forget to press the like button, share and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next useful videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore. Wishing you always healthy and happy. See you in the next video.